My research project is especially important to me since a few years ago I experienced a job-related accident that left my clothes drenched in bleach. Fortunately, I came out of it without any major injuries, but it left a significant impact on me. I felt frustrated that this disinfectant was a common household product, even though it is highly toxic and potentially lethal. Shortly after the incident, I decided to create a self portrait using bleach to document the accident. When I shared the self portrait with my drawing teacher when I was at my community college, he suggested I continue to use art to further explore the experience. My name is Susana Barron. My research project explores the role that chlorine based bleach products play in human health, environmental health, and social equity. At UC Davis, I've had the opportunity to have Professor Jesse Drew as my research advisor through the McNair Scholar Program. The opportunity to conduct research has given me more insight about the effects of bleach. In one study, for example, I learned that there is a decline in lung health in women after both occupational cleaning and cleaning at home. The decline in lung function was comparable to 10 to 20 pack years of tobacco smoking. By looking at primary sources like social media advertisements and bleach manufacturing websites, I discovered that chlorine-based bleach product advertisements give no indication that health problems can arise. The models in these advertisements, for example, aren't using any personal protective equipment, even though studies have shown that using the equipment can reduce the exposure to toxic chemicals and reduce adverse health effects. My research journey first started with a self-portrait I made out of bleach. I'm now working on a second creative project that incorporates the research I've conducted at UC Davis. In this project, I'm also incorporating new skills like coding, which has been like another language for me to share my research in a creative way. This project would not have been possible without the generous support from Professor Jesse Drew, also the McNair Scholar Program that has introduced me to the wonderful world of research. I'd also like to thank the Undergraduate Research Center for their guidance and the Placemaking Mini Grant, which will allow me to share my research to underrepresented communities. Lastly, I'd like to thank my family, especially my parents, Cirilo and Maria Barron.